Hey y'all, I decided I'm gonna try to make my scooter a little bit faster. The other day I posted that video of me riding it around on the street, and I was more just kind of doing that for baseline. I just ordered this exhaust manifold online, and it came in, and I just wanted to see if I could get my scooter a little bit more speed, and also I haven't really done too much work with two-strokes on this channel, so I decided I'm just gonna give it a go, and yeah, I'm kind of excited, and I also have a new intake manifold and stuff coming in, so yeah, I'm gonna go and install this and then let my GoPro charge a little bit, and then I'll get back to you. Alright boys, I got her installed on there. I ran it for a little bit. Sounds awesome. The only problem is that the exhaust studs don't exactly line up, so I had to do a little bit of rigging in there to get it to stay on, but I took it around the street and it sounds good, so let me see if I can get started for you. And you wouldn't believe how much better the throttle response is. Just the whole thing's just kind of lightened up, revs higher. It's an awesome mod. So now I've got an air intake coming in. Hopefully that'll make it look a little bit better and also give her a little bit of giddy up and go. And so yeah, that's all I've got for you all now. I'll probably do a test ride later today or tomorrow, and I'll post that on the YouTube with my new helmet cam. So, I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.